Hi, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. I just thought I'd pop on today just to show you these beautiful labels and tickets that Jen and I have designed. I needed some for my sewing journal, so we've come up with these beautiful fonts and words that I needed for my sewing journal. And these are available on Etsy, should you like them. And I just thought I'd just run through a few. These are tickets for, it says alterations, because I wanted something to go in my sewing journal like that. But there's lots of other tickets and labels in this pack. So I'm just going to start cutting them up. So I thought I haven't printed all of them that are available in the one pack. Some lovely coloured ones, the reds and the greens, and some of them have got like a grey background, some have got a cream, just to help with colourways. Some brighter tickets. And these are beige coloured tickets, and then there's some wording. Larger ones for book plates. Labels in various sizes, those are. Some tickets, there's lots of coloured tickets, pink, red, and some plain luggage labels, and there's lots of numbers as well. So I just thought I'd show you those before I start cutting them up. Okay, I hope you like those, and I'll see you for the next crafting video. Bye for now.